Bryce, are you eating yogurt? All by yourself? See, I'm 19 months old now and I'm learning to eat by myself. Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say Bryce?
No.
Take your spoon out of your mouth. Can you say Bryce? Hey, can you say Bryce?
Bryce.
Yay! Can you say Mommy?
Mom.
Daddy?
Mama.
Momo? Yeah, you know how to say Momos. You love Elmo. Can you say Ivy? Can you say Ivy? Yummy. Can you say birds went night-night? Where'd the birds go? Can you say Grandpa? Grandpa? Boy, you got a mess. Wipe that mouth off. Yuck. Can you say Avery? Say Avery. Can you say Casey? Can you say Aunt Jennifer? Can you say Uncle Kenny? Can you say Avery? What about Daddy?
Then,
You say Yellow?
hello.
Can you say hello? We can say lots of things. Say yellow. You say yellow? Hey.
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 Ha ha. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Can you show Mommy how to do one? You are smart.
You did one?
Mm-hmm. What else can you do? Lots of stuff. Can you shake? Shake?
Hey, I'm gonna run this dishwasher, it's packed.
Okay.
And the rest of the stuff we can put in later.
All right, Bryce. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say love you?
Bye.
Blow kisses. Night-night.